Hi friends and welcome. I have something really special happening this week, and in honor of it, I'm making tip videos all week long. Let's look at today's tip. I know many of us struggle to tie nice bows. So today's tip is how to tie perfect bows quickly and easily. So what do I have going on this week that is special and I want to share with you? It is a new YouTube channel. I know so many of you have appreciated my live chats at the end of my videos, and I have to respond what is going on in the world around us. So right now I'm going to link you to that new channel. Please go there, subscribe, take a look at those videos, and if you appreciate them, please share them, friends. Okay, here is my tip for tying the perfect bow. You're going to make a little loop in each hand, and I'm trying to hold my hand so you can see what's going on. Okay, small loop in each hand with the tail hanging out at the bottom. Now what you are going to do is crisscross these two loops. So I'm putting the right loop behind the left one, and then I'm going to bring the loop that's now on the left side down and through the big loop. Now I will show this to you again, because as I start to twist this, we kind of lose track of what's going on. It's hard to see. Now here's the key. It's going to be loose and things are going to be a little twisted around, so straighten it out a little bit. The bigger the ribbon you're using with this, the more straightening you'll probably need to do. This works amazingly with twine and with little ribbons like this one I have in my hand. So do a little straightening, tighten it up, and there she is. I can trim off my ends and she is perfect. Let's do that again. And if you want, you can do this while it is still attached to your spool of ribbon. This is a great way to save. You know, here I'm gonna have to trim that end off and I waste some of it. Well, let's do it right here on this one while it is still attached to the spool. I will tell you, the more ribbon you're working with, the easier it is, because you can make bigger loops. You have more ribbon here to tie your loop. The more ribbon you're working with, it will also end up farther from the end. So you may end up, again, having to cut off some of that end. But so I have a loop in each hand. I'm going to do a fairly small one here. Loop in each hand. I've got my excess sticking out down here on the right side and my excess right here on the left. Okay, put the right loop behind the left loop. Now I am bringing this loop down and through the middle, the bottom middle loop. Okay, keep it there, get it kind of tight, do some straightening. Once it looks pretty good, then just pull it tight and you can make your final adjustment. So I absolutely love this tip. I knew you would love it too. Thanks for watching along. Like I said, please go check out that new channel I've started. It's called Life with Anna Helman. I'm trying to offer some positive things we can do to respond and change what is going on in the world around us, friends. We need to bring hope and light to this world, and we can. Watch along, join me, and please like and share. Love you all. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful day.